out there in Clownland. It's me again, Matty McFun. And today, I'm going to actually do a brand new trick that I just got into the mail. And it's going to be a great trick. In fact, I'm going to do it for the very first time with you all here today. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. It came on a tape. Let me just put the tape on. Here we go. Here we go.
Hello, fellow magicians.
Hello.
Welcome to the world of Acme Magic, your professional mail-order magic company. 100% genuine. This lesson is the mystery of the vanishing bandana. For this mystery, you will need two props. One is a square of darkly colored fabric and a yellow bandana. Pick up the bandana. Now, fold the bandana in half. That's right, fold it in half. Now, fold it one more time. Take the folded bandana and hide it in your left hand. Remember to keep your hand in a natural position. This is called palming. Now that you have mastered palming, we're ready to begin. Open up the folded bandana. Show the audience it is a regular bandana by waving it up and down. If an audience member does not believe it is a real bandana, allow him to wipe his face on it. Now, pick up the dark square of fabric and gather the four corners together, making a little makeshift bag. Using your free hand, fold the bandana along the creases you made earlier and drop it into the folds of the fabric makeshift bag. From the outside of the makeshift bag, squeeze the bandana into a small little ball. What the audience didn't see is that you never really put the bandana in the fabric at all. You really kept it hidden in your left hand. Remember palming? Again, remember to keep your left hand held naturally. Now, make a magical gesture. For the grand finish, fling open the fabric and receive your well-deserved applause. And remember, a magician never tells the secret.
Well, that went better than I thought. It's me again, Magical Matty, host of the Magical Matty and Friends Show. Today we are not going to be doing any magic. We're going to do a type of juggling. It's not juggling balls, it's spinning plates. Ho-ho! The spinning plates is not as easy as you think it might be. In fact, it takes a little bit of practice to get the hang of it. So if I drop any today, I'm still practicing. You know, the plates I've noticed come in different colors and different styles. Some are small, some are bigger. If you're new at this, I definitely recommend getting the bigger plates. All right, here we go. Put the plate onto the edge of the spinning Billy Doohickey. I don't know what that's called. Is it dowel, I guess? Yeah, anyway, it comes with these things that you can spin them with. Put the plate right there on the end and start spinning the plate. Get it going the right direction. Here we go. There we go. And start spinning it. Ta-da! Look at that! One spinning plate! Now the hard part that you'll see a lot of other people doing is balancing these things. And again, that's easier said than done. They usually come with 3 in a package. Mine were yellow, blue, and red. And I'm still working on it and I'm still learning these, but oh my gosh, look how much fun they are. You want me to try to do 2 at once? You do? Okay, let me get the second one here. All right, I've got my blue one. Now, I don't know how to get the blue one onto the, like I said, I'm still learning this. All right, 1 yellow one and 1 blue one. Here we go. I've seen people do 3. I don't know how they do that. Amazing. Here we go. Oh, I dropped it. Let me have another try. All right, here we go. Try number 2 with the blue. All right, here we go. Whoops. All right, get it started. Ta-da! Yellow and blue at the same time. Oh my gosh! Hey, I'm really impressed with myself. I didn't even think I could do that. Normally I do one and hand it to somebody else to hold so they can balance the spinning plate. This is amazing! Yeah, I'm going to work with doing 3. They'll usually put 1 in their mouth while they're spinning 2 and 1 in each hand. I can't believe how talented those people are. It takes a lot of practice, but these are a lot of fun for you to do for your friends and your family and just to practice to get better at developing a skill and balance. Wow, this is a lot of fun. Hey, get your own spinning plates by following the link down below. And until next time, I can't wait to see you guys then. Magical Matty, signing out. Wow, can you guys believe how quickly the time goes by? Oh, man. I wish my dentist appointments went this fast. Wow. Hey, you guys, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you can be the first